guys, it's Tina from FreeStuffFinder.com here to cover the best deals and freebie offers this week at Target and CVS. We have a total of 14 deals. Let's dive in. First, we head to Target, and the first deal at Target is on Halloween candy that you can score for 89 cents. So the Oreo Fun Size Halloween candy bags, they are on sale for $2.66. Normally they are $3.19. Currently, we have a 10% off Target Cartwheel that you can use. You can find the Cartwheel offer inside the Target app. So after Cartwheel, you leave the store paying $2.39. And inside checkout 51 until Halloween Wednesday, there is a $1.50 cashback that you can use. That cashback offer has a limit of 5, so you can technically do this 5 times. So after the cashback offer, they are just 89 cents each. This week, we can also score some sweet deals on Johnson's baby products as low as 89 cents. So we got a new $2 off printable coupon, very, very high value. Whenever that's around, always max out your prints. Okay, Johnson's baby products start at around $2.99, and the cheapest item that you can use that coupon for is on these hand and face wipes. They are $2.89. So using that $2 off coupon, they are just 89 cents. Alternatively, there's a bunch of stuff that's around $2.99. So for example, the head and toe wash and shampoo, they are $2.99. So using that coupon, making it just 99 cents. There's a bunch of other stuff that's also $2.99. For example, the baby lotion, also baby powder is around $2.93, $2.99, just depending at your store. So yeah, under $1. And just as a side note, even if you don't have a baby, you can actually use this. I personally use this I put it in one of those foam bottles, like, foam soap, and I use it to wash my eyelashes and to wash off mascaras and stuff. So yeah, because baby shampoo. This bottle can last a long time when you put it in one of those foaming things. Also, that Johnson's Baby deal is part of the baby category coupon this week. You can get a free $15 in Target gift card when you spend $75 or more in baby department on select purchases, including diapers, wipes, training pants, and toiletries, and baby bottles. So if you are getting diapers, you can actually use this as a filler item. Yeah. You can get this coupon in the weekly ad, like here, or you can get it inside the Target app under wallets. Next, we have an easy deal on Nabisco Snack Sack cookies and crackers that you can get for 50% off, and it's super easy to do. And I actually got 4 of these. I've got 2 more here because I love Teddy Grahams. My kids love it too. So we got a very high value 50% off Target Cartwheel on these, and it works on all the Nabisco cookies and crackers. So Teddy Graham, obviously, also Chips Ahoy, Oreos, and Nutty Butter. So these are regularly priced for $2.09. After the 50% off, they are just $1.04. And again, with Cartwheel offers, they will apply up to 4 items in the same transaction. So if you want to buy more than 4, split it up into multiple transactions. And actually, I'm gonna take this mask off because it's like really bugging me. It keeps moving. Ugh. Whew. All right, that's much better. Next, we have an easy deal on Dentyne gum that you can get for 50% off, and all you need is your phone. So we got a high value 50% off Cartwheel on Dentyne gum. So these 3-pack gum are regularly priced for $2.39. After the 50% off Cartwheel, you leave the store paying $1.19 for the pack. A pack comes with 3 individual packs, making them 40 cents per pack, and it's super easy to do. And by the way, if you're brand new, you don't have to write anything down. You can find everything in the show notes. You can find the show notes as a little link in the description box on YouTube. If you're watching this on mobile, look for the little down triangle in this corner. Click on it to expand to find the link to the show notes. The show notes is an outline of everything we're covering in this video, including links to any printable coupons, links to any cashbacks, but also just all the deals written down so you can do these deals after watching this video. And I wanted to give you a heads up that this is the last weekly shopping video on Monday that I'll be doing this year. I will be back in February. I'll be focused on covering Black Friday deals and holiday shopping deals over on the blog at FreeStuffFinder.com. So do join me over there, and I'll be doing a ton of giveaways, including the daily giveaway on weekdays that I've been posting every day. So you guys have been really excited about those, so I think I'm gonna keep those up for sure throughout the holiday season. If you want the latest Black Friday coverage, follow my new Instagram account, Black Friday Alert, over on Instagram, and turn on post notification. I may pop in on YouTube to do some live videos in the next few months, so make sure to hit subscribe and tap the little bell next to the subscribe button for notification so it'll alert you when I come on live. So the 25% off on one single toy coupon is back. It is a mobile coupon. You can get this coupon by texting the word toy to 827-438. It works on one toy or sporting good or kids craft activity, and the coupon is good until November the 10th. You can use the mobile coupons in stores. You can also use it online. When they give it to you, there'll be a little code that you can put in for online purchases. So this technically should work on one toy. As of yesterday, I don't know if this is still happening today, it was glitching online where it was applying to the entire order, including multiple toys. I don't know if that is still working now, but yeah, it was glitching yesterday. But technically it's supposed to work on one toy. What's nice about this coupon is it's a Target coupon and you can stack it with any sales. Also with Cartwheel offers, you can use all of those together. And there'll be more Cartwheel offers every day. So for example, starting November 1st, every day there's gonna be a new Target Cartwheel offer for up to 40% off on a toy. I know in previous years it was 50% off. Looks like they changed it. Toys they must not feel the pressure because Toys R Us aren't here anymore. I don't know. It says up to 40. So it could be like 25 or 30. Hopefully we'll see, 40% off. I'll give you two examples on toys that you can get this week that I think are a really good deal. So the first one is the LOL Surprise Big Surprise. This is the new variety or edition for holiday season. This is normally $89.99 and you can get it for as low as $56.99 if you pay with a red card this week. So they are currently on sale this week for $79.99, normally $89.99, and you can do this online as well using the 25% off coupon, this one right here, that's gonna drop the price by $20, making it $59.99, and if you have a red card, you'll get an additional 5% discount, making it $56.99. So that's one example. Another toy idea is on the Kids Paw Patrol bikes. They are on sale this week for $59.99. They are normally $79.99. The sale is good until the 3rd, which is Saturday. And then using the 25% off coupon, you are paying $44.99. And if you pay with a red card, it's $42.74. And the bike, the exact same bike, sells for $85 on Amazon. So getting it for around $40 is a really big discount. Next, we have a deal on Tide antibacterial spray. You can get this for almost 50% off. So they are regularly priced for $5.99. We currently have a 20% off Target Cartwheel that we can use, and there is a $2 off printable coupon that you can print from P&G. That printable coupons on P&G do expire within a day from the time you print, so don't print it until you know you're gonna go to the stores within the next 24 hours. So after the Cartwheel and the coupon, they are just $2.79. Next, we have a deal on sodas that we can stock up on this week. So the 12-pack canned sodas are on sale this week for 4 for $12. And we currently have this Target in-ad coupon, this Target coupon for getting a free $5 in gift card when you spend $20 or more in select beverages, including Pepsi and Pepsi-owned soda brands. So that's Sierra Mist and Mountain Dew and a whole bunch of others. Plus, inside the Ibotta app, there is currently a 75-cent cashback on Sierra Mist that has a limit of 2. So if you do a scenario with 2 Sierra Mist, that's gonna work out to be the cheapest. So what you could do is you could pick up 8 packs of sodas, including 2 packs of Sierra Mist, 2 or more. I got Diet Pepsi because I am addicted to Diet Pepsi, but if you drink Sierra Mist, so do that. So 8 packs of sodas is $24, and then you're gonna scan this coupon, which you can find in the weekly ad. You can also find it inside the Target app under wallets. Okay, so you're gonna leave the store paying $24, and then you're gonna get back $5 in Target gift card, and then you're gonna submit to the 75 cents cashback to Sierra Mist, and you'll get $1.50 back, making the final price $17.50 for all 8 packs, or $2.19 per pack of soda. And if you don't want Sierra Mist, and if you just want Diet Pepsi or some other drink like Mountain Dew, then they work out to be $2.39. $2.39. And at Target specifically, all the candies and food items will be 30% off the day after Halloween. And then in a few more days, it'll drop, more, 50, 70, and then 90 eventually in about a week. Next, we head to CVS, and the easiest deal to do at CVS this week is on 2-liter sodas. You can actually get them for 22 cents each, and that's really, really inexpensive. So the deal this week is 2-liter sodas are on sale for $2 and they are part of a promotion for buy 2, get $1 back in extra bucks. The limit for that is 1. And inside checkout 51, we have a whole bunch of 55 cents cash back when you buy 2, and there's separate ones. There's one for 7-Up, there's a separate one for the Sunkist, there's also a separate one for A&W, and a separate one for Canada Dry. So you don't have to just get 7-Up. And I just actually realized I bought the wrong things. I was supposed to get 2 of the same item because the cashback is on 2 of the same thing. So don't make the same mistake I did. So for one example, what you could do is you could pick up 2 of the 7-Up, 2 bottles of 7-Up, and then you pay $2 and then you'll get $1 back in extra bucks. And then you're gonna submit for the 55 cents cash back in checkout 51, making it 45 cents for both, or 22 cents each. And again, get 2 of the same item. Next, we have an easy deal on Luden's throat drops. They are between 7 cents to 14 cents per bag this week, and it's super easy to do. So they are regularly priced for around $2.69. It's regular price, which means that it will vary by store. In my store, it was $2.69. I know in parts of the country it's $2.59. And they are part of a promotion this week for buy 2, get $3 back in extra bucks. The limit for that is 1. So what you could do is you could pick up 2 of these. And I forgot to mention they are also buy 1, get the second one for 50% off. So getting 2 of these would be $4.03 after the 50% off on the second bag. I've got my second bag right here. And currently we have a 75 cents off 2 printable coupon that you can use. So after that coupon, you leave the store paying $3.28, and then you're gonna get back $3 in extra bucks, making the final price 28 cents for both, or 14 cents per bag. Next, we have 1-a-day vitamins that you can get for around 64 cents per bottle, and that's a really good price. They are normally around $6. Okay, so the 1-a-day Nature's Medley vitamins are on sale this week for buy 1, get the second one for 50% off. Starting price is regular price around $6.19 at my store for the kids variety, and then the adult variety, I think it's like 10 cents more. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up 2 of these for $12.38. And then they are buy 1, get the second one for 50% off. So that's gonna take off $3. Your subtotal is $9.28. And then we currently have a $4 off printable coupon that we can use because you're buying 2 bottles. Use 2 of the printable coupons. After the coupons, they are just $1.28 for both bottles, or 64 cents per bottle. Next, we have a deal on Tide and Febreze that you can get for as low as 81 cents each. So the deal is select household products are on a promotion for spend $20, get $5 back in extra bucks. The limit for that reward is 1. And there's a bunch of items that's included. This is just my favorite scenario. Okay, so in this scenario, the Tide Pod laundry detergent, they are on sale for $4.94. If they are not signed at your store, like at mine, just price check it and you'll see that it's $4.94. So you're gonna pick up 2 bags of the Tide Pod. And also Febreze products are on sale for 2 for $6. They weren't signed at my store. Again, had to price check it, and I picked up the air freshener, also the sprays. So we're gonna pick up 4 of Febreze products. So the subtotal is $21.88, and we currently have a $3 off insert coupon from November P&G, so P&G 1028. The limit on that insert coupon is 1, so use 1 of those. And then inside the CVS app, there's another $3 off on Tide Pod. That's a one-time use that you can send to card. And then for the Febreze, we have a buy 1, get 1 free insert coupon, also from November P&G that you can use. So use 1 of those because that one has a limit as well. So that's gonna take off $3. And then inside the CVS app, there is a $3 off 2 one-time use manufacturer coupon that you can send to card on Febreze. So clipping on that, that's gonna drop the price by $3 as well. Okay, so you're gonna leave the store after all the coupons, $9.88, and then you're gonna get back $5 in extra bucks, making the final price $4.88 for all 6 items, or 81 cents per item. Next, we have a deal on Summer's Eve that you can get for around 59 cents or cheaper. So they are on sale this week for buy 2, get $3 back in extra bucks. The limit for that reward is 1, and they are buy 1, get the second one for 50% off. The starting price will vary by store. So in my region, they are $3.79, but in other parts of the country, they are $3.39. So if you have it for the $3.39 price, it's gonna be really inexpensive, like really inexpensive. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up 2 of these, and then the second one will be 50% off. Subtotal is $5.68. And we currently have a $1.50 off 2 printable coupon that we can use. Alternatively, there's an insert version of that coupon from Smart Source 1028. So you're gonna leave the store paying $4.18, and then you're gonna get back the $3 in extra bucks, making the final price $1.18 for both boxes, or 59 cents per box. Again, if they are $3.39 at your store, which is 40 cents cheaper per box, they work out to be 29 cents each. So even cheaper. And lastly, at CVS, we have a sweet deal on Windex that you can get for $1. So they are on sale this week for 2 for $6. And we currently have a promotion from S.E. Johnson where you can get a free $5 in prepaid Visa card when you buy 4 S.E. Johnson products, and this is S.E. Johnson. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up 4 bottles of Windex. I've got my 4 over here. You do wanna buy in multiples of 2 in order to get that price, so it works out perfectly. The subtotal is $12, and we currently have a 75 cents printable coupon that we can use, so use 4 of those coupons to maximize the deal. Alternatively, there is a $1 off 2 printable coupon as well if you can't max out the print on the 75, and actually I didn't even have the 75, that came out later on in the day. So after the coupons, you're gonna leave the store paying $9, and then you're gonna submit for the $5 Visa cash card from S.E. Johnson. That promotion is good until December the 15th, so you really have a long time. So after the $5 in gift card, the final price works out to be $4 for all 4 bottles, or $1 per bottle. So those are some of the deal highlights for this week. Head on over to freestufffinder.com for the latest deals and freebie offers posted every day. And while you're over there, remember to sign up for email updates to get hand-picked deals sent to your inbox every day. If you're on Snapchat, add me. I'm Free Stuff Finder over there and on all social media handles. And send me a DM to let me know you came from YouTube so I can say hi. And if you want to get notified for urgently hot deals, sign up for text alerts. You can do that over at freestufffinder.com/alert. You can also do that by clicking on the card right here. Leave a comment for me below. Let me know what deals you plan to do this week, or what deal you've scored already, or if you have any questions. And if you're brand new to this channel, make sure to hit subscribe and tap the little bell for notification, and I will see you guys soon. Bye! I hope you have a great Halloween.